Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove or replace, depends what you need, radio from Ford Transit Connect. So this is one 2015 I believe. So what you want to need to do in order to remove this top cover holds everything in place. Use plastic tools, something like this. And let's start from basically somewhere over here would be the best. So over here you need to click it out, so click out over here. Same goes on this side. So and then you just pull out. So let me show you. So one clip over here, this one already missing, and these two are holding it back. So same way it goes in like this. You put that over here and then you just click it back, so like that. So as you can see, now once you took it out a few times, it's quite easy to take out. Next up we have these two screws, Torx. I believe 20 or something like that. Yeah, 20, maybe 25. So you take those two bad boys out. Try not to drop them in, especially not in these holes. And now it should be possible to remove this cover. So let's try maybe somewhere over here. There should be, yeah, as you can hear, there is always some, yeah, it kinda goes all out together. So what we have inside, let me show you. Everything is in here. So this plug over here, this plug over here, there is one over here. So this is first time that I see this, so stay tuned with me. It's not something that I did before. If this will help you, and I hope it will, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. It will help me grow the channel. So this should be quite easier, but yeah, like that. And now we have only over here there is the antenna, I believe. So click it probably somewhere from this side, upside. So I'm gonna try with a little bit of screwdriver. Or no. So let me check it out. So it is just clicked. It needs a little bit of a push to take it out. So let me show you. Like this. Yeah. So it does hold. You just need to push it a little bit so it opens up like this. So yeah. This one is quite easy, just click it over here and does open up. Same goes for this bad boy. And everything is in here. So all the things considered for the radio, it's in this. So that's nice. Maybe nice, maybe not, depends. I don't know if these do tend to break or not, but there is space to put that bigger one if you're really interested in that. So putting it all back together, this one or a different one or whatever you need. So plug all the plugs, click it in. So those two screws and the cover as well. So cover goes on the top side. So I hope this will help you. If you have any questions, sure, write in comments. And yeah, I'm gonna disassemble a few more things in this car. So yeah, if you have anything that you would like me to show, sure, no problem. So that's about that for this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So until next one, see you.